Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a monopitched roof using Space Designer. Start by drawing your roof in plan view. Space Designer will automatically calculate the most optimal multi-slope roof for your design. Before transforming this roof into a single slope roof, add an overhang of your desired dimension. Now, go to each side of the roof and check the gable option, excluding the lowest side. You'll see that the roof will transform into a monopitch roof. Finally, select the walls above the roof and click on Extend in the Property menu. And that's it. You have just created a monopitched roof using Space Designer in no time. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. See you in the next one.